like, oh my gosh, my locks are frizzy as hell. I was like, baby, I am not feeling this right now. I'm not feeling these locks right now. Like, hello honeys, and welcome back to my video. If you are interested in finding out how my 6 months is going, go ahead and stay tuned. So if you have not already subscribed, honey, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and join the honey gang, okay? If you are interested in my lock journey, lifestyle, vlogs, travel vlogs, all that good stuff, honey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and go ahead and join us. So let's get into it, honey. We are already at 6 months and I am so excited. I cannot believe it. Their time has really gone by so fast. And the beauty of this video going up today is that it is actually my 6-month anniversary of me starting my lock journey. I got my locks on September 24th, 2020, and it is March 24th, 2021. Okay, this is amazing. It's amazing. And they are flourishing. They're doing so good. They're doing so good, as I expected. As y'all know, I had some locks combined in the front because they were too small. And so I had some areas where I thought because of me wearing a bonnet to bed every night, the band being on my edges was like stunting growth. But I am happy to announce that, honey, we have some growth. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, y'all will see it up close on my locks. But yes, honey, that Jamaican black castor oil is doing me some justice. So I also had decided that I was going to wait to get a retwist, and I was going to wait 8 weeks. So I'm halfway through, and I will be honest, I had some low points there where I was feeling like, oh my gosh, I need a retwist, I need a retwist, I need a retwist. Because usually by this time, I would have already had my retwist done. So it definitely is an adjustment to go 2 months instead of just 4 weeks. But it's definitely needed because, like I said in my previous video, you don't want to be retwisting your hair too often and then they start thinning and that can cause breakage and all other kind of stuff. But as you can see, like, we're not ready for a retwist yet. So, like, no. It's the root is where you really look at to see if you need a retwist, and we don't. Like, it's not time yet. So I am really trying to pay attention to my locks now to see what they need instead of just scheduling appointments back to back. And I was starting to feel some type of way, like, oh my gosh, my locks are frizzy as hell. They look old to me, like that. And that's one thing about hairstyles, like, I cannot stand when they start to look old or frizzy. And so I was like, baby, I am not feeling this right now. I'm not feeling these locks right now. Like, and I had to check myself because it's like, Shornice, this is a part of the journey. Okay, you know, frizziness, that they're gonna do what they're gonna do, and eventually it won't be so frizzy. I won't have these curly ends anymore. It'll be locked all the way down to the ends, and that's what I'm ready for. So these locks are really teaching me patience, because when I first started this journey, when I first got these locks, honey, I was budding in 2 weeks. I was locking like super duper fast, and here I am at 6 months, and it's kind of slowed down. And it's like, well, shoot, I'm ready for them to be locked to the ends, but it takes time. So if there's anything that you get from this video, please get that patience really truly is a virtue, especially when it comes to your locks, and you have to just embrace it all. You have to embrace the frizziness. You have to embrace what they call the ugly phase or the ugly stage, which I've already done a video on that, honey. If you ain't ugly, you're not going through no ugly phase, okay? But anywho, yeah, I did. I had to check myself, and I'm glad that I did, because is that a gray hair, y'all? Hold on now. Was that a gray hair, or did I? Oh no, that was from my rug. Okay. Y'all can see my rug back here. Yeah. So anywho, like I was saying, they are doing really, really good. I still have my curly ends. I still have my frizziness. I will say I am getting some length. I feel like the ones in the back are really dropping and really doing good. But yeah, I mean, nothing has really changed too much, other than I feel like the ones in the back are thriving the most and are becoming like fully locked to the end, just about. Like this, all of this, that's locked. Like, that's locked. Let's see if I can show y'all some other ones. But y'all will see. I'll put it across the screen what the back of my hair looks like. But yes, I am. I'm so excited. Not too much has really changed, like I said before. And I also, in my last video, my Get Ready With Me video, if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. But in that video, I said, I'm still gonna do lock videos on Wednesdays, but I don't want to get repetitive to where I'm doing like the same videos every week, or if like nothing has changed. So there may or may not be a video coming out on Wednesday. And then I'm not gonna do takedown videos anymore, because I mean, it's the same at this point. Y'all know what my hair look like when I take it down out of a style. So, I mean, if y'all want me to do them, I'll do them. But I just don't want to get repetitive and just be putting up a video just to put up a video on Wednesday. So yes, you guys. I'm trying to think. Is there anything else? I really love talking with you guys and sharing my journey, because it needs to be talked about, and it's definitely, you know, nice to be able to share it with other people that have locks. But I am ready for this frizziness to be gone, child. Like, see, they're starting to lock at the ends. We're definitely getting somewhere. See how this one is not as frizzy as these ones in the front? Another thing I noticed too is that like the frizziness is like right here. In the back, it's not as frizzy to me. The frizz is like right here. And it's probably me. It's me doing this. I'm always doing this. So it's probably me. So sometimes you gotta definitely watch what you're doing and just leave your locks alone, because you could be the reason why they are looking the way they're looking. So that's probably the case. But when I get my retwist, after waiting the full 8 weeks, y'all know I will come on here and I will show you guys what my locks are looking. I think what I'm going to do, since we are at 6 weeks, so I won't get my hair retwisted until next month, which means I will be at 7 months. I think I'm gonna get my hair retwisted without a style. Yes, without a style. So every time I have gotten my hair retwisted, she kind of braids it up into a style or something, and I leave it up for like a week or two and then I take it down. This time, I think I'm going to try having her just retwist my locks and then not be braided up or styled or nothing, just be down loose. So y'all stay tuned for that. I am excited about that. I'm really excited about that. So this is what they looking like, honey. My beautiful locks. Let me stop. But like I said, this is the best decision I ever made. I find myself, like, even when I was in Miami and I had the wig on, the headband wig that I did a review on, honey, I couldn't wait to take that thing off. I just wanted to be free. Like, with locks, I feel like there's freedom, there's growth, there's healing. I feel like I'm on a spiritual journey, a healing journey, a growth journey. Like, I just feel like, you know, my locks are me, and I love them. And honey, I don't need no wig or nothing. Like, I feel like I am at my best when my locks are out. So, I mean, y'all may get tired of seeing me with my hair like this, but I love my hair like this. I don't even really style my hair because I really enjoy the middle part on me. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Okay? Okay. I am about to get ready to go work out, because that's another journey I'm on, is getting fit and healthy. So if y'all have any suggestions, any tips, any comments, or anything like that, go ahead and leave them down below, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys for rocking with me and watching my videos, liking and commenting. Go ahead and check out my sis book, okay? Shortie. That book is thebomb.com, let me tell you. Go check it out. It'll be linked below, okay? So yes, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.